Quick hello to all of my birding friends out there. If you happen to be like me, you have a significant other that every time they go on a trip, they come back with some kind of birding artifact or souvenir. My wife just got back from Cozumel. She gives me this and says, "Hey, I got you a bird feeder." I'm not so sure that's what this is. Supposedly this is a bird feeder made out of a coconut shell from Cozumel. It's got this really thin string that I guess it's designed to hang. In Texas, this string would last about a week. But nonetheless, it hangs like that. And I'm assuming you put seed in the bottom here and birds can land on it and eat. Or I guess it could be a nesting box, I'm not real sure. But nonetheless, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it out. I'm going to put some suet nuggets in it. I'm going to put it on a shelf. And we're going to see whether or not any birds come and eat out of this coconut shell bird feeder from Cozumel.